while loop in a detailed manner using syntax, real-time examples, flow diagram and basic program. So while loop. So we have already discussed about the looping conditions in a basic manner. So the main motto behind looping condition statements is iterate statements repeatedly. So for loop, the condition is if the statements, if the iteration count is fixed before executing this, then we can use the for loop. So whereas in while loop, if we don't know the number of iterations before, then we can use the while loop. So while loop can also be said as entry control loop. Entry control loop means it will try to check the condition first. Only if the condition is satisfied, then it will try to execute the code which are present in the inside this floor brackets. So we can relate Amazon Prime with while loop. So if you are having Amazon Prime account, you can avail the benefits of Amazon Prime account for 1 year. So here the condition is your account should be Amazon Prime. So only if your account is Amazon Prime, you can avail the benefits of Amazon Prime account. If you are not Amazon Prime holder, then you can't avail the benefits of Amazon Prime account. If suppose you have the Amazon Prime account for 1 year, so for 1 year you can avail the benefits of Amazon Prime account for n number of times. So that n can vary from use case to use case. For example, if you are using the Amazon Prime account, if you are buying nearly 100 products in that year, n equal to 100. Suppose if your friend is buying nearly 1000 products in that year using Amazon Prime, n equal to 1000. Here the number of iterations are not fixed. So the main motto behind while loop is, so if your iterations are not fixed before writing, then you could prefer while loop over for loop. So this is the for loop, while loop flow diagram. First the condition, if the condition is satisfied, then the set of statements will be executed. If the condition is getting failed, then the remaining code will be executed. We will try to explain this while loop using some sample program. So first we will try to, this is the while loop syntax. While open and close bracket, inside open and close floor bracket, we need to specify the while loop statements. So before doing that, first I will try to initialize the value for I variable int I equal to 0, and then we need to define the condition I less than 10, and then what we need to do is we need to either do increment or decrement operation. Here I am trying to do the increment operation, and then what I am trying to do is I am trying to print some data on screen, which is hello. So this is the simplest program to explain while loop. So here this is the initialization process, and then there is a condition, and then increment. So for the first time, what would happen is I equal to 0, 0 less than 10. The condition is true. Since the condition is true, the statements which are present inside the open and close floor brackets will be executed, which means hello would be printed first, and then the value of variable I would be incremented to 1 from 0. So 1 less than 10, the condition is true, and then the statement present inside the open and floor brackets would be executed. So once the I reaches value 10, 10 less than 10, the condition is the condition gets failed. So once the condition gets failed, it will try to skip this for loop while loop statements, and it will try to terminate the program. So if we run this program, it will try to print the hello output for 10 times. I will try to run it once again. I think it's taking some time for execution. So the reason behind that is I equal to 0, 0 less than 10, 1 less than 10, 2 less than 10, etc. I think this got messed up. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times hello got printed. So this is the sample program to explain while loop. Thanks for watching.